Hey, what's up? Dominoes Seven here. Okay. Walking down the street on Esplanade and stuff like that. Just coming from my old junior high school, McDonald 28. Okay. Actually, I did a live stream YouTube, a YouTube live stream at my old junior high school and my old senior high school, So, where I think about it, folks, walking down the street, wondering what the heck is this or what the heck is that, All right. So eventually this video gonna be uploaded to YouTube, hopefully. Okay. All right. So anyway, this is gonna be the YouTube, or this may not be the YouTube. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, folks? Take a walk round to my old neighborhood and stuff like that. Take a little stroll and stuff like that, Well, you know what? I want to tell y'all something. If Nala had a Facebook, she'll be watching this live stream right now. She'll say, "Are you talking about me?" Goddamn, I'm talking. I mean, damn right. I don't mean it like that though. Okay. Yes, indeed. She would have been watching my live streams right now. She definitely would have. This is Chase Bank right here. This is Chase Bank right here, and there's an elevator through there, and the stairway. Chase Bank, but it used to be called Bank One. I think all the Chase banks used to be called Bank One. Okay, but sometimes I call it Bank One. Sometimes I say Chase Bank. Bank One or Chase Bank. Whatever the hell you want to call it, okay? I mean, I don't know who was hating on who, Don't know who the hell was hating on who, Really the hell don't know, So, put it on the TV. Truth the gamer not watching. Well, I'm probably at his house right now. Watching, Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Like Kirsten was asking, where's our mama, Yes, indeed. Well, her mom is on my friend list here on YouTube. It's a possibility she gonna slide by and know that I'm talking about her daughter, At least not bad though, Yeah, I was mad at Kirsten at one time, Broad Street Plaza. Look at this place. Y'all see Broad Street Plaza, and it's not even a plaza. I don't know why they call it this. Okay. Yeah. So much shit, So where I think about it, folks, I'm good though, Strolling outside in the street. At least I'm not doing no bad stuff, Okay. So, I had to spit. I didn't want y'all to see me spit, All right. So, there we go. We good. All right. So it's time to stop this tape, and I'll be back.